how to fix the issue that your friends are not able to join you. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can fix the issue of your friends not able to join you or your experience in Roblox. So one of the most reason that this issue comes is that you have disabled your joins in Roblox by mistake or by any glitch. So let me show you how you can fix that. So in order to fix this, simply open your Roblox application and then you will need to enable joins. So in order to enable joins, simply click onto this more option at the bottom right, and then from here scroll down to settings. So under the settings, click on privacy and content restrictions, and under the privacy and content restriction you need to choose visibility and private servers. Now from here choose visibility and make sure that this show current experience is not set to no one. So from here you can choose it to everyone, but in order to do that, the first thing that you will need to do is enable your online status as well. So once you will do this, you can enable this as well, and now people can see your current experience and join you in the game as well. So that's how easily you can do this. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.